तो टुडेज माय टॉपिक सीजर डिसऑर्डर्स माई सेल्फ विजय सोलंकी ट्यूटर इंडेक्स नर्सिंग कॉलेज। सबसे पहले देखेंगे व्हाट इज ए सीजर होता है क्या। तो सीजर इज अ ब्रीफ टेम्पररी डिस्टर्बेंस इन द इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटी ऑफ द ब्रेन। ब्रेन के अंदर एक इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स को इम्बैलेंस कर देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सीजर डिसऑर्डर्स। ठीक है, मसल्स कंट्रोल एंड मूवमेंट्स। ठीक है, एंड माई बी अफेक्टेड करता है मसल्स कंट्रोल एंड मूवमेंट्स को, स्पीच, विजन एंड आई मूवमेंट्स, अवेयरनेस एंड बिहेवियर्स। सीजर कैन बी convulsive or non-convulsive, vary in the frequency and severity. Sign of seizures, हमने टाइप सीजर्स होता क्या देख लिया, साइन ऑफ सीजर्स देख लेते हैं। एक्सटेंडेड ब्लैंक स्ट्रे, empty look and eyes, rapid blinking, eye rolling upwards, periods of unresponsive, inability to play attendance, repeat movements of body parts, usually head, arm and legs, uncontrollable jerking body movements, mouth movements of floating at mouth, loss of consciousness, loss of body control, desired walking, temporary confusion. ठीक है, all factors are sign of seizures. क्या, uncontrollable neck, uncontrollable movements, mouth movements, लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, लॉस ऑफ बॉडी कंट्रोल्स। ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। सीजर विच एपिलेप्सी, बट इज डिफरेंट, दोनों में थोड़ा सी फ़र्क के, ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं होता है। आप सीजर्स देख लेते हैं। आफ्टर सिम्टम्स ऑफ अनदर हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, डिजीज़, फीवर, टेम्पररी मेडिकेशंस, न्यूरोलॉजिकल इलनेस। ठीक है, after the person is treated, illness is resolved, the seizures do not occur again. But epilepsy is a chronic ongoing series of seizures and can develop at any age. Seizures recover frequently and often without as no cause. epilepsy देख लेते हैं। neurological disorders that make people susceptible to seizures, sometimes called as seizure disorders, can develop at any age. कौन सी एज में? The seizures are chronic, ongoing and frequently. Seizure can often happen with no cause. Many people with the epilepsy experience more than one type of the seizures. सीजर्स और एपिलेप्सी बस थोड़ा सा फ़र्क है। वन टाइम सीजर दैट इज कॉल्ड सीजर, बट 1 to 2 more times of seizure that is called epilepsy. ठीक है, एक या दो बार से ज़्यादा आने पे उसको एपिलेप्सी बोलेंगे अपन, पर एक या दो बार आते हैं तो वो सीजर में ही गिनाएगा। ठीक है, व्हाट डू सीरियस seizures occur? What do you seizure occur? Head injury, MVS, sports accidents, falls, head trauma. कैसे हो सकता है? तो ये हेड ट्रमा, फॉल्स, गिरने से। ठीक है, एक्सीडेंटली, इंट्रा सेरिब्रल इंजरी, ट्रमा, स्ट्रोक। ठीक है, heredity had a different degree of susceptible of seizure. बर्थ इंजरी के कारण भी हो सकता है। ब्रेन इंजरी टू fetus ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड बर्थ, ठीक है। पेरिनेटल एस्फेक्सिया, उसके बाद कंजेनाइटल डिसऑर्डर्स हो सकता है, इन्फेक्शन, मेनिंजाइटिस, वायरल इंसेफ्लाइटिस, मील्स, मम्प्स, डिप्थेरिया। What can triage as seizures? Stress, excessive excitement, stimulation, excessive fluid intake, extremely low blood sugar in the diabetic, इससे भी हो सकता है डायबिटिक, लो ब्लड शुगर, flickering light, sunlight, hard humidity, speaking meals and poor nutrition, illness, fever, allergy, ये मेन चीज़ें होती हैं। illness, fever, allergies, lack of sleep, withdrawal from medicines, illegal drug or alcohols, missed medications. Next is types of seizure. टाइप्स होते हैं इसके, इधर फोकल सीजर्स और जनरलाइज सीजर्स, मेनली टू टाइप्स होते हैं पर उनमें भी डिवाइडेशंस है। फोकल सीजर में देख लेते हैं ओक्योर इन द पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन, सिंपल पार्टियल, कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्टियल। जनरलाइज में आ जाएगा ओक्योर इन द होल ब्रेन, पूरे दिमाग में, टॉनिक, एटोनिक, टोनिक क्लोनिक, माइक्लोनिक और एब्सेंस, ठीक है। चलो टाइप्स देख लिया अपन ने, फोकल और जनरल सीजर होता है, फोकल पार्टिकल और जनरल सीजर। मेनली टू टाइप्स होते हैं। ट्रीटमेंट टाइप्स देख लिए, ट्रीटमेंट, चलो ट्रीटमेंट देख लेंगे। मेडिकेशन, मोस्ट कॉमन सीजर कैन बी कम्प्लीटली कंट्रोल्ड इन 80% ऑफ केस। मेडिकेशन से 80% कंट्रोल हो सकता है, ए कंट्रोल नॉट अ क्योर। गोल टू यूज द least amount of the drug and have the least amount of the side effects. Surgery might be effective for some children, especially diet might be used in some cases. How does epilepsy affect children at school? When the managed effectively and that we supports and planning the students with the epilepsy should be encouraged to participate in all school activities, ठीक है। सेकेंड इज सम स्टूडेंट्स might need to extra support as a school due to difficulties with the learning behavior and or mobilities. Third is some children might be occasionally more sleeping and usually due to recent medication adjustment. This should be temporary. ये देख लिया। क्लासरूम कंसिडरेशन देख लेते हैं। Because epilepsy affected the brain, it can affect the learning process, accommodation, variety of attendance spans, and processing speeds by making provisions for access, access to alternative quiet work areas used to clear explicit and visual instructions, regular break and needs schedule important and admitting activity after break, presenting activity or ideas at time, provisions of notes and advance or use to technology to records, additional meals and filling up proteins, gaps of missed solve. First aids stay claim times the seizures notes the time that the seizures started and end. Most seizures last less than 5 minutes. Protect from harm. Move hazards objective out of the way. Do not put anything in the student mouth. First aids put the children into the recovery positions. Place something soft under their head. Sometimes from under the head. Roll child on their sides once seizure is ended and it is safe to do so. Loosen tight closing. Remove object as glass. Example glasses. Documented on the seizure. Record from. Describe the seizures. How is the longest seizure lasted? How the person acted immediately before and after the seizure. Recovery. Resume and provide comforts taken gently to comforts and resume that students stay with them until they are reoriented. Post seizure period. Check for injuries. Call parents if necessary as per care plan. Also student to change clothing if necessary. Allow the student to rest or sleep. Students might completion of headache or be confused. No food or drinking until the student is fully alert. Have someone remain with the student until fully recovered. When to call seizures, do immediate call. Okay. The person will stop her breathing from longer than 30 seconds. After call 911. Bring the discuss breathing CPR. The seizure lasted longer than 5 minutes. The person might have internet life-threatening states of fluid seizure called status epilepticus. More than one seizures occur within 24 hours. Then person has diabetes or is pregnant. This is the student's first seizures, or if you do know if your person has epilepsy. Serious injury have occurred. You notice your student see unwell, she cries or suddenly fall down and their body becomes still and started to shake. What types of seizure do you think this might be? Tonic-clonic absence. Case study. This student is likely to case study छोड़ देते हैं. Next, family responsibility, school responsibility questions. A disorders in which nerve cells activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizures. Epilepsy may occur as a result of genetic disorders or an equivalent brain injury such as a tumor or stroke. Seizure signs and symptoms. Seizures signs and symptoms can range from mild to severe and vary depending on the types of seizures. Seizure signs and symptoms may include temporary confusions, uncontrollable jerking movements of the arm and legs, loss of consciousness or awareness, conjunctivity, emotional symptoms such as fear, anxiety और जज व्यू. ठीक है, इन सारी चीज़ों देख के हम समझ सकते हैं सीजर सिम्टम्स. टाइप्स अपन ने देखे थे फोकल सीजर्स। फोकल सीजर रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द abnormally electrical activities in one areas of your brain's focal seizure can occur with or without loss of consciousness। फोकल सीजर में कॉन्शियसनेस नहीं जाता है, जा भी सकता है और नहीं भी जाएगा। सिम्टम्स देख लिए हैं हमने, फोकल सीजर देख लेते हैं। फोकल सीजर बता दिया है, ठीक है। फोकल सीजर कैन ऑक्योर विथ और विदाउट लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस। फोकल सीजर विथ इम्पेयर्ड अवेयरनेस। फोकल सीजर में अवेयरनेस इम्पेयर्ड हो जाती है। दिस सीजर्स इन्वॉल्व अ चेंज और लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस और अवेयरनेस दैट फील लाइक बिगन इन द ड्रीम। You might be seen awake, but you are stray in space and do not respond normally to your environment, or you perform repetitive movements. This might include hard rubbing, mouth movements, repeating certain word, or walking in circular. You might not remember this seizures or even now that is occurred. Focal seizure without loss of consciousness. These seizures may alter emotions and change the way of think, look, smell, feel, taste, or sounds. But your doesn't lose consciousness. You might suddenly feel angry, joyful, or sad. Some people have nausea or unusual feelings that are difficult to describe. These seizures may be also result in difficulty speaking, involving jerking of the body parts such as the arm or legs, or spontaneous sensory symptoms such as tightening, dizziness, seasoning, flashing lights. Symptoms of focal seizures might be confused with other neurological disorders such as merging or mental illness. Generalized seizures that appear to involve all areas of the brain are called generalized seizures. Different types of generalized seizures. Generalized seizures क्या होता है? Seizures that appear to involving all areas of the brain are called generalized seizures. Absence of seizures. Absence of seizures prevents nervous appetite. Male seizures often occur in the children and characteristic by straying into the space or subtitle body. Movements such as eye blinking or lips smacking usually last for 5 to 10 seconds but might happen up to time per day, hundreds of times per day. These seizures may occur in cluster and caused by brief loss of awareness. Tonic seizures cause stiffening of your muscles. These seizures usually affected muscles in your back, arm and legs and may cause you to loss of consciousness and fall to the ground. Atonic seizures में ठीक है मसल्स हो जाती है. सीजर यूजुअली अफेक्टेड द मसल्स योर बैक. गिर सकते हैं इसमें अपन ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे कहीं भी. एटोनिक सीजर्स आल्सो नोन एज अ ड्रॉप सीजर्स कॉज ऑफ लॉस ऑफ मसल्स कंट्रोल एटॉनिक सीजर से मसल्स कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, विच माई बी कोज यूर सडनली कॉलेप्स, फॉल डाउन और ड्रॉप योर हेड, और हमारे सिर के बल गिर सकते हैं। क्लॉनिक सीजर्स आर एसोसिएटेड विथ द रिपीटेड एंड jerking rheumatic jerking chronic seizure, rheumatic jerking muscles movements. These seizures usually affected the neck, face and arm on both sides of the body. Myoclonic seizures usually appear as a sudden brief jerk of twins of your arms and legs. There's after no long loss of consciousness. और गिर जाएंगे तो कॉन्शियसनेस रहे। Tonic-clonic seizures is previously known now as grand mal seizures are the most dramatic types of epilepsy seizures and can cause an abrupt loss of consciousness, body suffering as shaking, and sometimes loss of bladder's control or biting your tongue. They might be last for severe minutes. ठीक है। When the scene a doctors seek immediately medical help if any the following occurrence: the seizure lasts more than 5 minutes, breathing or consciousness doesn't return after the seizure stops, as second seizures follow immediately, have you high fever, you are experience that heat you are pregnant, you have diabetes, you injured to yourself during the seizures. Causes: nerve cells, neurons in the brains create send and receiving electrical impulse which allow the brain's nerve cells communicate. Anything that disrupted this communications pathway can lead to seizures. Some types of seizures disorders might be caused by genetic maturations. The most common cause of seizures is epilepsy, but not every person who has seizures has epilepsy. Sometimes seizures might be caused of tries by high fever, which can be associated with an infection such as meningitis, lack of sleep, flashing lights, moving partners of others, visual stimulations, low blood sodiums, hyponatremia, which can happen happen with the diuretic therapy. Medications such as certain pain relievers, antidepressant or smoking sessions, therapies that lower than seizures. There should head trauma that cause an areas of bleeding in the brain, abnormalities of the blood vessels in the brain. Autoimmune disorders include systemic rupes, arthritis, and multiple sclerosis, stroke, brain trauma. Use of illegal use of illegal or recreations drugs such as amphetamine or cocaine, alcohol muscles during times of withdrawal or extreme anti-intoxications, COVID-19 virus infections. Complications. Having a seizure can sometimes lead to circumstances that are dangerous for you or others. You might be at risk of flying, fleeing, falling. If you fail during seizures, you can injure, injure, injury your head or break of bones. Drowning. If you have seizures while swimming or bathing, you are at risk of accidental drowning. Car accidents. A seizure that causes loss of awareness of control can be dangerous if you driving a car or oper- operating other equipments. Pregnancy complications. Pregnancy complication. Seizure during pregnancy pose pose dangers to both mothers and baby, and certain anti-epileptic medications increase the risk of birth defect. If you have epilepsy and plan to become pregnancy, work with your doctor so that he or she can adjust your medication and monitor your pregnancy as needed. Next is emotional health issues. Emotional health issues देख लेना. People with the seizure are more likely to have physiological problems such as depression, anxiety problems might be result of difficult dealing with the condition itself as well as medicines side effects. सिम्टम्स देख लिए, कॉज देख लिए, डायग्नोसिस ट्रीटमेंट देख लेते हैं. डायग्नोसिस एंड ट्रीटमेंट्स. डायग्नोसिस. आफ्टर a seizure your doctor will thoroughly review your symptoms and medication history. Your doctors might order several tests to determine the cause of your seizures and evaluate how to likely it is that you have another one. Neurological exam. Tests might be include a neurological exam, blood test, lumbar puncture, and electrocephalogram, ECG, electrocephalogram, EEG, electrocephalogram. ठीक है. न्यूरोलॉजिकल एग्जाम में क्या करेंगे? डॉक्टर माइट बी इवेलुएट योर बिहेवियर, मोटर्स, एबिलिटीज एंड मेंटल फंक्शन टू डिटरमाइन if you have problem with your brain and nerve systems. Second is the blood stream. Blood test. Blood test. Your doctors might take your blood samples and check your blood sugar level and look for sign of infection, genetic conditions, or electrolyte imbalance. Third is a lumbar puncture. If you doctors suspected an infection as the cause of seizures, you might be need to have a sample of cerebrospinal fluids removed from testing. Next is an electrocephalus, EEG. In this test, doctor attach electrodes to your skulls with a paste-like substance. ठीक है. The electrodes record the electrical activity of your brain, which show up as a illness on an EEG recording. The EEG may reveal as a pattern that test doctor there is seizure likely to occur. Again, EEG testing may also help to doctor exclude other conditions that mimic epilepsy as a reason for your seizure. Depending on the details of your seizures, this test may be done at an outpatient's visit in the clinic, overnight at home with an amputations device, or over a few nights in the hospitals. Amputations, ठीक है. Imaging tests may include मैग्नेटिक MRI करा सकते हैं, मैग्नेटिक रिजोनेंस इमेज. हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट इज MRI करवाएंगे अपन. मैग्नेटिक रिजोनेंस इमेज. Scan use powerful magnet and radio waves to create a detailed view of your brains. You doctors might be able to detect lesions or abnormalities in your brain that could lead to seizures. ठीक है. CT स्कैन करवाएंगे. कंप्यूटराइज्ड टोमोग्राफी. CT स्कैन. Use X-ray to obtain cross-section image of your brain. CT scans can reveal abnormalities in your brains that might cause a seizure, such as a tumor, bleeding and cyst. ये सारी चीज़ें देखेंगे CT स्कैन में. MRI में भी यही चीज़ें पता लगेगी सारी. ठीक है. PET, पोजिट्रॉन इमोशन टोमोग्राफी. नेक्स्ट इज PET करवाएंगे. पोजिट्रॉन इमिशन टोमोग्राफी. Scan usually small amount of low dose radioactive materials that injected into the vein to help visualize active areas of the brain and detect abnormalities. Single photon emission computed tomography. SPECT, APECT, SPECT. Usually a small amounts of low dose radioactive materials that inject into vein create a determined third map of the blood flow activity in your brains that happen during a seizure. Doctors may also conduct a types of SPECT test called subtraction SPECT, co-registered with MRI SISCOM, which might provide even more detailed result. This test is usually done in a hospital with overnight EEG recording. Treatments. Not everyone who has one seizure will have another once, and because a seizure can be an isolated incident, your doctors might not decided to start treatment until you are had or more than once. The Optimal goals of seizure treatments is find to best position therapy to stop seizures with the furthest sites affected. Medications Medications treatments for seizures. Treatment for seizures often involve the use of anti-seizures medications. There are my different options for anti-seizures medications. One of the more recent medications approved by the Food and Drug Administrations cannot cannot Epidoxic is derived from marijuana. It is approved to treat certain seizures in children aged 2 and older. The goals of medications is to find the medication that work best for you and that cause fewest side effects. In the some cause of doctors' minds recommended more than one of medications.